Next up on the list, coming in at number 5, is Ultra Key. So if you're not familiar with Ultra Key, think of kind of like green screening. I'm sure you're familiar with green screening. This allows you to apply the Ultra Key effect onto any clip, pick a certain color to key out, so let's say red, and make that key color something else. So you can just composite, alpha channel, color channel. It looks kind of weird right now, but let's say you were working with a green screen, it would allow you to remove that color from the clip. So in this case, let's say I put this over that firework clip from earlier. What you get is this cool composition because I've keyed out the reds, and so only what's underneath is showing through. And that's a really cool blend. Traditionally, you'd use this for, let's say, green screens if you really wanted to put a clean cut background on there. Next up on the list, very similar to Ultra Key, is the Luma Key. And notice I can also search all these effects in the search bar on the top if I don't know what folder they're in, but these are all in the keying folder, which is a very useful one. And like all the other keys, this allows you to select and mask out a certain part of the image based on a certain attribute. So Luma, it's probably Latin or something. It basically allows you to show or hide portions of the image based on how bright or dark it is. So the threshold and the cutoff, I can make all the highlights disappear, or I can make all the shadows disappear and show through. So this can be really good to do things like sky replacement or rough replacements of highlights or shadow fills. And again, it looks black right now. That's because nothing's underneath. But if I was to put this clip over another clip, the stuff that's underneath would show. So it's a bit harsh in this case because the cutoff is high, but there's lots of cool creative applications that you could do with this, as well as functional applications.